Welcome. If you want to use your microphone for voice chat or other features on Roblox, you'll need to make sure the app has permission to access your mic. Here's a quick and easy guide to help you enable microphone access for Roblox on your phone. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer, and it looks like a little gear icon. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, or it might be called App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list until you find Roblox. Once you see it, tap on the Roblox app to open its settings. Inside the Roblox app settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. Tap on Permissions to see what the app can access on your device. Here, you'll see a list of different permissions like camera, contacts, and microphone. Find Microphone and tap on it. You'll be given a few choices for microphone access. Select Allow or Allow Only while using the app. This will let Roblox use your microphone when you're playing or chatting with friends. That's it. You've now enabled microphone access for Roblox. If you want to make sure the changes take effect, it's a good idea to close the Roblox app completely and then reopen it. Now, when you join a game that supports voice chat, you'll be able to talk and be heard by other players. Remember, you might also need to verify your age in Roblox and enable voice chat features within the app itself, especially if you're planning to use voice chat in games. But with these steps, your microphone is ready to go. Enjoy your Roblox experience, and happy chatting!